Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 200. We start with this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. I don't see any help, so 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. So 1, 8, 9. 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. And no help here, so 1, 8. And we'll get rid of this 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 8. 1, that 1 makes this our 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. And I don't see any help, so 4, 7, 4, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 2, no help here, 1, 2, 4. 2 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 7, 9. Let's see. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. That means the only place the 2 can be in this box is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. And that 4 makes this our 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.